All right, this is Fred Burrows, Swift Plumbers, Leak Detection Service. I'm state licensed plumber, CFC 1426792. And what I want to show you here is I've located a leak, and there is a sink on the other side in the lanai here, and it's sitting right in this area. Now, I can hear that leak right here going this way under the cabinet. It fades this way when I go from the front. I cannot read through the cabinet, of course. And then I get a signal here. So to be even more accurate, you would have to pull this cabinet out. Likely to fix the pipe appropriately, you're going to have to break these tiles out here and go from the bottom up into the wall, because I can hear the leak upwards in the wall, but also below the ground. So that means the leak is likely in the Armaflex, or the plastic they put around the pipe, typically to go through a footer or through cement. So it's a tough leak location. It would involve taking the cabinetry out, breaking the tile floor up, fixing it appropriately, putting the cement back, and getting new tiles put in and putting the cabinetry back. So it's a hot water leak. It's in a bad location, feeding to the faucet outside. I want to go out there and just show you a lot of the water showed up in this area. This is the sink that it's going to be feeding up to. And right there it is, penetrating through the wall. So it's a copper, soft rolled copper, what appears to be a pinhole leak in it.